Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing, and as you can see we've got two clowns behind us, Mr. Savile and Mr. Smash Fishing, and Inglorious Fishing. And we're down the beach and we're going for gilt heads, baby, so stay tuned. I'll show you a glimpse of all the rods, all the bait that I'm using. Get out there and hopefully get one of these gilt heads. Let's do it. So we're going for interview mode now. We're going to chat to Samuel first. Hi Samuel, can you state your name, age and what you've caught?
Sam, 23 and nothing.
Shit. Crap fisherman, no good. Second, contestant number 2, we have Jay. Please state your name, your age and what you've caught.
My name is Smash and I've caught a cold and a piece of seaweed.
Oh, he's got a fucking Corona. We don't want to be near that. Anyway, he's got the rods out. Sam's got the rods out as well. There's a bit of an onshore breeze, northeasterly. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully, if anyone's going to catch it, Smash Fishing will catch the gilt because he wants to cook it. Anyway, stay tuned. Let's go and get my rods out. We're not going to get them not in the water. So guys, give you a quick glimpse of this bait. Check this out. This is from Mixed Fishing Supplies. This is just over £half a pound of rag, but look at the size of these things. Absolute monsters, some of them. Check that out. Absolutely cracking ragworm. Absolutely cracking. So we're not going to moan with ragworm like that, guys. Just stay tuned. We're going to get them on the hooks. I'm using 2-hook flapper rig here with 1/0 hooks. It's not really made for gilt head, but there'll be the odd bream and Cooch's bream, so that's what that's going to be for. Like I say, an onshore breeze. Hopefully it don't hamper us too much. My house is literally over that wall, so yeah, not far from home at all. So you got me here and you got the boys there. It's like a Smash Fishing and Inglorious Fishing face off, fish off should I say. Anyway, let's come get some of these juicy worms on the hook and let's get out there. The sun's dropping. Beautiful. Fresh bait equals big fish. So guys, just baiting up the rods. Bottom up, check that ragworm out. Absolute stonkers they are. Beautiful rag, eh, Smash?
Beautiful, mate.
They were good.
You got the old flapper rig on?
Yeah, 2-hook flapper rig.
Nice.
Don't know what it's going to catch, but hey, as long as we give it a go, hopefully we'll get something.
Once that Cooch's.
Yeah, well, we're going to get the rod out. Hopefully it don't snap like Smash Fishing did.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it could be a bit buzzing.
Oh, what a cast. That's beautiful.
But you don't need to be far.
There's a logworm bed about 20 yards
I
out.
was studying the ground before, Smash.
Oh, sneaky, sneaky.
Be careful with me, you don't want to break the boat. Sam's in, guys. Fish on, Sam.
He just had a slammer of a bite. Did
So-
it bite him, Mike? No.
I reckon it might be a big wrasse.
Oh, there we go, it's livening up a bit.
Could be a gilt.
Could be.
He went like that, went
Is it?
straight to boom, straight over.
Oh, nice.
Come on, Sam.
Come on, my man. And normally where there's one, there's a few, eh?
Yeah, for sure, mate.
Nice, nice,
We get anything on this time. We can get bass, coochers, anything.
nice.
Take your time, man. Don't want to break that hook.
Right.
I think it's a bit weak on it as well.
It probably is. But when was the fish there? Is it coming in?
Come on, don't go too mad, 'cause he might slack you.
Did you a fish?
Love it. There we go, we get a close up with Sam. How do you enjoy that, Sam?
Love it.
Look at that, eh? Are you going to cheer up now? You said if you get a fish. Oh, I see silver.
Black Bream!
Oh, it's a black.
That's not a bad one.
Little black bream.
Happy with that, my boy? Oh, that's a lovely fish.
There we go, guys. Nice size black Bream there. Beautiful.
That is a beauty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Check that out.
Hold on, mate.
Beautiful hook up right on the side of the gob. On the old ragworm, fell victim. That's beautiful, Sam. Right, guys, Sam's going to take the hook out.
Hopefully there's a few more.
Beautiful, yeah, that's a nice bream, that.
Nothing fish, huh?
That's an absolutely, that's over a pound. Pound?
Close to it.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely legal size.
The markings on him are cracking.
Nah, catch and cook.
Well guys, I've just rigged up the second rod. We're using a running ledger for this rig. It's just simply just a bead, a zip slider and a bead down to a swivel, then my trace line of about 3 feet, and what we're using is spider peeler, which I just had in the live and just took off with a ragworm. So absolutely fantastic bait, guys. Sorry about the wind noise. We're going to blast this out and hopefully we'll get a fish, hopefully, like Samuel just had. Old Sabble did it again. So guys, that's both rods out. Hopefully we'll get one of these gilthead or a bream or something. Cooches. Don't tell me Sam's in again. But you're in again then.
Snagged, mate.
He was snagged. Hopefully we won't get snagged. Anyway, let's get some fish. I think Mr. Samuel's getting a few bites. He's about to smash it in the face.
Right in that net.
He's already had one, so if anyone's going to catch it, it's going to be him now.
I'll just wait for him to take it a bit more.
Well, he's going to wait for him to take it and watch him come off. Oh guys, fish on. Sam's got a fish. Look at the concentration on his face. Oh no. He's snagged up. Bring you back if he gets him out.
Sam's in again.
I don't know if I am.
I think he is. I think he's swimming towards you.
Yeah.
Nah, no way.
Watch it just go ballistic in a minute.
That's what I was thinking, a gilt
what-
and it just goes
That's
boom.
why I've left the camera on. I was like, oh. Concentration on that man. Smash just had bites and lost it.
Big slack liner.
Big slack liner. Smash is having bites.
Few wee nibbles.
Come on, man. Smash him in the face.
Straight in the bottom lip. No fish.
No fish. Oh God, Smash just had a first fish. Black bream, baby.
Nice old black bream, not as big as Sam's, but we're putting back.
Yeah, he's not that far off
Hopefully,
it.
we get a nice big one.
That's the beauty of a fish. Get some more, chap, as you say.
Hell yeah.
Fish on. Yeah, by the feel of the way it was fighting, head bangs at the start, I'd say it was a black bream. It's not actually fighting that well, to be honest. I don't know if I have got him. Oh yeah, I've got him. Not very big though. Not a big fish, guys. It's a good bite. I reckon it's a little black bream. Smash.
Dano's in.
I reckon it's a little black.
Getting a lot of bream here.
No, I could be wrong.
Could be. Oh no.
Where'd that just come off?
Could be a wee fish.
What's that fish called?
That just came off literally at the shoreline. Oh no!
Man down.
Caught nothing. Well guys, walking over, smashes in.
Feels like I've got a lot of weed on it.
Beautiful backdrop. You see the sun.
I love the island. They look good.
I thought that other rod went then. Mr. Coochies!
Good. Another target species. Hell yeah.
Hey!
Tiny redfish.
You got it before I did.
That's that one outside.
Well guys, there it is. Check that out.
Beautiful little Coochis Bream.
Smash is absolutely chuffed with that.
Dano's the master for these with his 6 pound, what was it, 6'8"?
688, but not tonight, baby. It's you. Check
That's
that
a beauty. Look at the colours on that fish,
out. Yeah,
eh?
the blue on the nose, eh?
It's mental.
So you've had a Coochies, Black Bream, just the gilts
Just
now,
the
my
gills.
boy.
We want that trio.
Let's go. Quick little video of quick little clip of Smash descaling his fish ready for the catch and cook.
Always do this on your fishing marks.
Yeah.
This is the worst.
That way you don't get it at home, eh, chap?
Yeah, you get it all over you, all over your counter, the sink, you name it. Most important. You can gut them anytime, but scaling is the one that you don't want to do at home. That's for sure.
Oh, don't get it, that's for sure.
Beautiful.
Oh, him and Sam's gonna be eating well tonight. Woohoo! Well guys, Smash is having a feast, like I said. You can see he's scored his fish, filleted it, put a load of chili flakes, garlic salt, pepper. God, it smells beautiful when it ain't even cooked.
Wait till it starts cooking, mate. It smells delicious.
There's the carcasses, those will all get used for a crab pot. So yeah, he's got the oven on, check that out for a little oven. What a beast, and it will keep you warm when you're cold.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. Sam's there, Mr. Cameraman, and hopefully get some more fish, my boy. There it is, sizzling on the pan. Smash and Sam are getting very hungry.
I'm starving.
Look at him. Sam's
forward to
like a dog waiting at the food bowl. Check that out though, sizzling away.
Well seasoned.
Smells beautiful.
What we're waiting for is the white to come up almost at the top of it, and then we flip it, and then all the skin's nice and crispy.
Oh, check that out. Smash fishing top
You're
tip.
gonna try a bit?
No, my
Come on.
I think Sam's getting a steward's inquiry.
I am. It's not committing though, it's just constant. It might be a little bream or something.
Oh, you scared the crap out of me.
What?
I thought it was my bell, whatever you moved. Thought I had a fish then. There was nothing even there. Anyway, hopefully Sam gets it. Well guys, there you are. That's what you call urban eating. Check that out.
Beautiful. Check this white flesh.
Oh, look at that.
Boom.
Fish freshly caught on a stone, on a barbecue. Sam's ready to eat. He's a mongrel.
I'm starving.
Smash is starving. Smells like the chippy. Well guys, the sun's setting. It's an absolutely beautiful evening. I've had a few taps on my rods, but other than that, not really anything. The boys over here, there's Smash. He's the man of the day. 2 Coochies.
Fun little trip, eh?
2 Coochies, 1 Black Bream.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam had 1 Black Bream as well, and I failed as always. Miserable, useless. That's the way it goes, guys.
Can't beat the islands in the background though.
No, can't beat that. That's what I was just saying. It's absolutely flat calm, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful evening.
We went good out in the boat.
Yeah, it would have been. So anyway, we're going to start packing up the rods now. And yeah, see you next time from Inglorious and Smash, baby.